In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Roblox gift card. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, open your web browser. This could be any browser you prefer like Chrome or Safari. Then, type in Roblox in the search bar. Hit enter. You should see the Roblox website as one of the top results. Next, click on the Roblox website to enter it. If you are prompted to log in, go ahead and enter your username and password. This step is necessary to access your account and make purchases. Once you are logged in, locate the marketplace. You will find this option on the main navigation bar of the Roblox homepage. Click on Marketplace to begin browsing the available products. Now, take your time to explore the different items. When you find something you wish to buy, click on it. This will take you to the products page where you can view more details. If you decide to buy this item right away, click on the Buy button. This will take you directly to the checkout page. However, if you want to continue shopping, click Add to Cart. This way, you can keep looking for more items to purchase before you check out. During the secure checkout process, you will see different payment options. Look for the option that says Redeem Roblox Card. Click on it. This is where you will use your gift card. Now, take your Roblox gift card and look for the code on it. Enter this code into the designated field on the screen. Make sure to enter it carefully to avoid any errors. Once you have entered the code, click on the Redeem button. After redeeming the code, check if the credit from your gift card is enough to cover your order. If it is, you will see a button to submit order. Click on it to finalize your purchase. That's it. You've successfully paid using your Roblox gift card. Enjoy your new items and have fun on Roblox. Remember, if you have any issues during this process, you can always visit the Roblox Help Center for support. They offer a variety of resources to assist you. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Have a great day.